Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the document and saving a copy. This protects your original. Once done, enable Show/Hide Paragraph so you can see paragraph marks, manual page breaks, and section breaks. That visibility tells you why the page exists. Next, press Ctrl+G, type the page number, and hit Enter to jump straight to the offending page. Now you're positioned and can see the elements that create the not blank page. That's where you'll act first. You'll now remove the elements that actually force the page. First, select any visible empty paragraph markers and press Delete. Short, precise removals avoid new gaps. If you see a manual page break or section break, select it and press Delete. Note that deleting a section break can change headers or layout, so proceed with awareness. Also inspect headers, footers, and anchored objects like images or text boxes. Once you delete or re-anchor them, the page often collapses. To finish, check paragraph spacing and the page break before setting in paragraph options. Sometimes spacing creates an extra page, so reduce or clear it. Switch to print layout or draft view and resize or reflow large images or tables that spill onto a blank page. Shrinking or changing wrap fixes it. If the page still won't go away, copy the document content, not the blank page, into a new file and save. That recovers a clean document. One tip, always keep your copied back.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.